Welcome back to the Natural Health Hub for You, your go-to channel for all things related to natural health and wellness. I'm your host, Alex, and in today's video, we'll talk about a topic many of us have been through at some point in our lives: a hangover. We've all been there. A night of wild celebrations that left us with a dreadful hangover the next morning. But fear not. Today, we're going to share with you the secret recipe to cure your hangover in no time. Welcome to Hangover Helper, where we turn your dreaded mornings into fresh starts. Let's dive right into our ultimate recovery recipe. Now, to create the perfect remedy, we'll need a few key ingredients. Coconut water, 1 cup. Fresh ginger, 1 knob, grated. Lemon juice, juice of half a lemon. Honey, 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder, half a teaspoon. Cayenne pepper, a pinch. Our first ingredient, coconut water. Hydrates your body and replenishes essential electrolytes lost overnight. Next, our secret weapon, fresh ginger. This amazing ingredient reduces nausea and helps soothe an upset stomach. Now, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon for a burst of vitamin C and refreshing tang. Honey contains fructose, which helps your liver speed up alcohol metabolism and gets you back on your feet. To fight inflammation, we add a punch of turmeric powder, a natural superfood. Lastly, we spice things up with a pinch of cayenne pepper for an extra boost of metabolism. Voila! Our hangover helper is ready to rescue you from the depths of hangover hell. But remember, my friends, prevention is always better than cure. Drink responsibly and stay hydrated to avoid these rough mornings altogether. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful recipe to combat that terrible hangover. So the next time your head is pounding, reach for a glass of Hangover Helper and wave goodbye to those dreaded mornings. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest natural health tips and advice. Visit our channel, the Natural Health Hub for You, for more valuable content on various topics related to your overall well-being. Thank you for watching, and remember, your health is in your hands.